So coming to the last practice paper 5. After this we'll be doing questions on particular topics. Okay, so this practice paper generally contains some logical question, so be careful. Okay, so the first question is, write a SQL query to display order number, purchased amount, achieved and unachieved percentage for those order which exceeds 50% of the target value of 6000. So before seeing my answer, just try to do this question on your own. Okay, just pause the video now and do this question on your own and then listen to the explanation given by me. Okay, so we have to display order number, purchased amount, achieved percentage is like if we have total target of 100 and our purchased amount is 80. So what is the achieved percentage? It is 80%, because out of 100 target we have achieved 80. So what we will have to find in achieved percentage, what percentage is the total target and purchased amount. Okay, and the remaining unachieved percentage will be, suppose 80 is the achieved percentage, so remaining 20% is the unachieved percentage. Okay, and we have to display only those records whose this achieved percentage exceeds 50%. See here, for those orders which exceeds the 50% of the target value of 6000, and our target value is 6000. Okay, so the query will be, so select order number, purchased amount. Now we have to find achieved percentage. So what it will be, total purchased amount into 100 divided by 6000. This is the formula for finding what percentage is this of this. Okay, so if we apply this on 80 and 100, like if we think that 100 is our target and 80 is the purchased amount, so 100 into 80 divided by our target is 100, so 100 gets cancelled and remaining 80% is our achieved percentage. So this is how we calculate our achieved percentage. And remaining unachieved percentage, so remaining unachieved percentage will be calculated by 6000 minus our purchased amount. It will be the remaining amount, that is like in 80 and 100 minus 80, remaining 20. So 20 is the unachieved amount, so 100 into 20 divided by 6000, that is 100 into this 6000 minus purchased amount divided by 6000. So this is the unachieved percentage from orders. Now we have to check whether this percentage is greater than 50 or not. So where this is greater than 50. Okay, so coming to the second question, write a SQL statement to display the commission with the percentage sign with salesman ID, name and city columns for all the salesmen. Okay, so the query will be, see, select salesman ID, name, city. Now here we have written percentage, so it will create a column having values percentage. Now when we write commission, it is generally written in decimal. Now we have to convert it in percentage. So how to convert decimal to percentage? The simple way is to multiply that decimal by 100. So our next column will be commission into 100, because we have to show commission in percentage form. Okay, so commission into 100 from salesman. So our output will be salesman ID, name, city, then percentage, then our commission in percentage. Okay, moving toward the third question, write a SQL statement, make a report with order date in such a manner that the latest order date will come first along with the total purchased amount and total commission for that date. And total commission is 15% of all salesmen. That is, what will be the total commission? That 15% of that purchased amount. Okay, So we have to order it by our date. So the answer will be select order date. Now first we have to find the sum of all the purchase amount. So sum. Then our commission. So commission is 15%, that is 0.15. So sum into 0.15, this will give our total commission from order. So we have to group it by date. So group by date, and we have to order it by order date, and it is in such a manner that the latest order date will come first. Latest order date, that is the latest order date, that is we have to apply descending here. So we have to apply descending also. Okay, so what was our output? Order date, then sum, and then the commission. Okay, just apply descending here and reverse it. Okay.